Hi everyone. In this video we are going to look at the least recently used page replacement algorithm. So there are only two things to keep in mind. The first one is here we use the past knowledge rather than the future knowledge. Keep this as the tagline, you can easily remember them. And the second is replace page that has not been used for the longest period of time. So what does this actually mean? We are going to look at here. So to explain this algorithm, I am taking an example where we are having a reference string here and the frame size is 4. I have taken the same string which I took in the earlier video, that was for the FIFO algorithm. So here of the first 4 elements we have to directly push into the frame. So as you can see, the first one here 7, I have put it in the frame and I have marked it as page fault. Why fault? Because when the initial frame was there, which could be something like this 3 4, there was nothing in the frame, and now we need to find 7, but 7 is not in the frame, so it is a page fault because 7 was not found. Next we are having 0, we can push 0 here, similarly mark it as page fault. Then 1, we have to push it, we can mark it as page fault. Since 0 was not present here, so we have marked page fault. Since 1 was not present here, so we have marked page fault. Similarly for 2, we are marking page fault. Now the frame is full. The actual algorithm starts here. What do we do here is that we will just draw out the frame, and here now we have to put 0. So for 0 is already present here, so it is nothing but the page hit. It is page hit, so you have to map all the elements, all the pages as it is 1 and 2. Now it is 3, so for 3, now here you have to put the algorithm into work. Here we are not having 3 anywhere, so there is no case of page hit. Now which element to replace by 3? So you have to mark down these elements. They are 2 1 0 and 7. Now among these elements, which is the least used, which was used earlier, past knowledge, which was used earlier, very earlier, so it is 7. Among these 4 elements, 7 was used earlier, so replace 7 by 3. So we'll put 3 here, 0 1 and 2. Among 2 1 0 and 7, these are the recently used, 0 2 1, and 7 is the it is earliest, so you have to replace 7 by 3. Next we are having 0. For 0, mark here page fault without fail. For 0, we are having 0 already here present, so it is, we have to map them as it is and mark here page hit. Alright, next we have 4. Similarly for 4, do we have here 4 present? No, we don't have. We need replacement. So which to replace? Among 2 1 0 3, look at the element which was used earlier. So 2 1 0 3, 0 3 0 2 1. Among this which was used earlier, it is 1. So replace 1 by 4. This is as simple as that, and mark it as page fault. Next we are having 2. So for 2, do we have 2 here? Yes, we have 2 here, so we don't need any replacement. 0 3, mark it as page hit. Next we are having 3. So for 3, do we have 3 here? Yes, we have. No replacement required, so right here page hit. Now we are having 0. So for 0, do we have 0 here? Yes, we have. No replacement required. Keep the frame elements as it is. 0 3. So this is also a page, it is also a page hit. The next is 3. We have 3 here, so this would be also a page hit since we don't require any replacements, so mark it as page hit. Next we are having 2. So for 2, we have 2 already here, so no need of replacement. Keep the frame pages as it is and mark it as page hit. The last element we have is 3. So we are already having 3 here, no need of replacement. Keep the elements as they are, and we will mark it as page head. So now the final step is count the number of page faults. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there are only 6 page faults. So this was all about the least recently used algorithm, and it is really very simple. I hope you would have understand it with this example. Thank you so much for watching.